Guys, it's literally gonna sound like Tyler Pies, but 2 years ago I was 20K plus in debt, and now we're April 1st, and past month, March 2019, my business made $42,000. I currently spent about $800 tonight, and it's just for fun. That doesn't even stress me out. I watched my first Toronto Raptors game forever. I am in a 5-star hotel on the 40th floor with this crazy view. Eat at a 5-star restaurant as well, or 4-star restaurant, I should say, in a 5-star hotel. Went to the Toronto Raptors. $250 of train to get here, and check out the view. This is completely sick. I just accomplished 2 of my goals, live goals, tonight. I saw a Toronto Raptors game live, and I took a picture with the super fan. I visualized that for a long time, guys. Take a lot of hard work, a lot of vision, a lot of action, a good mission. It's crazy.